Quick update about what's going on with the Tuono 23 Tuono V4 factory. I've got some parts I bought for it. This is just a warning really to anyone that buys any parts from AliExpress. I've had lots of parts from them before, but I advise anyone that buys parts from AliExpress to pay with a credit card, because I ordered for this bike carbon hugger, carbon front mudguard and carbon side panels. Now, there's the bike. There's the bike. So I've also got a Lea Vinci exhaust to go on this as well, but I bought these, obviously they come from China. Now, out of the 3 items that I bought, only 2 items have turned up. So I've got the front mudguard there. No complaints about that. No complaints about that. That's in matte carbon finish. That looks okay. Then I bought carbon hugger to match. That's all arrived. But does have a fault there in the corner. Whether you can see that right or not, but the corner there, look, it's faulty. And the third item, which is a pair of side panels to go there, matching side panels, they never turned up. So this lot cost me £427. As you can see, I've got 2 of the items there. One of them's faulty, one's not even turned up. So I'm now in dispute with AliExpress for a full refund. Now, I spoke to the bank because I put these on my credit card. Luckily, the bank will get the complete amount of money back for you. So if you buy anything, there's a fault on it, anything like that, the bank will get all your money back. And also, you don't have to post these items off. So it's the responsibility of the seller to come and collect these items. So we've got the dispute in now. You've got to wait 14 days, 15 days from contacting the seller and asking them to come and collect the goods. Then 15 days after that, the bank steps in, gets you your money back. So just a word of advice, anyone buying anything on AliExpress, use your credit card, because